Good morning, everybody. We are on a frosty job site this morning. It is low 20s, so I'm letting that little excavator warm up a plenty. Today's project is put this 36-inch culvert pipe in over here. First step, we've got to jerk these little trees out, clear this area away, and then of course we'll get our first section of culvert pipe on up that way, and we just got to clean this little string bed out, and once that's clean we'll start hauling in some dirt. I went ahead and brought one little load with me today. It is about hour and a half round trip up to where I'm getting my dirt, so it's going to take some time to shuttle that much dirt, but everybody else is wanting to charge $150 a haul bill, and for that amount I'll take the time to run it. So step number one, clean all this mess out.